Hey guys, welcome back to a video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is system test 22, I think. So, before we, dive into the devices, I'm just going to give my warnings now, get it out of the way. I don't pull fire alarms from real buildings. If you're sensitive to strobe lights, please do not watch, and I'm not responsible for your actions if you do. So anyway, obviously we have the ANN80, MMF 300, BG12LX, BG12LX, and then I have a device here courtesy of Fire Alarms in Northeast Kansas. It's a first-gen RSG. I really like it. It's a hard pull station, though. It's really hard to pull. But, I mean, it's old, so what do you expect? The 9050 with Fire Alarm in Northeast Kansas's wiring, which looks really good. We have my, obviously, up-to-date inspection sticker. Duh. Then we have a Wheelock E70 something. Excuse me. I don't know what exactly it is, but it's a chime strobe. J-box, smoke and heat. Follow the conduit, and you just got another chime on the ceiling next to the smoke detector there. So, yeah, let's jump right into this. I already gave my warnings, so let's jump into it. That's just verifying, so it's, yeah, there it goes. So they get out of sync after a while, but that's okay. I'd say it's a really cool setup, though. I like how quiet it is. So, all right, let's get this guy. All right, and then we will get this one. I gotta get the whole scene, you know? So obviously, if we scroll through, I wonder why that says pull station and no same monitor. Odd. Anyway, so let me reset everything. And then, if you're wondering, it's just a screw on the top. That's what it looks like on the inside, RSG. See that right there, too. So, yeah. Throw this bad boy back up. And it is good to go again. So, now I'm going to reset the system, and that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.